Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from soon-to-be-listed business intelligence platform OpenDNA is Managing Director Jay Shah. Jay, welcome to FNN.
Thank you, Carolyn. It's good to be here. Thank you.
Jay, can you start by giving us an introduction to the company?
OpenDNA allows businesses to better understand their customers, to be able to better understand their interests of their customers. It's a business intelligence tool, looking at the psychographics, which is the understanding of interest profiles in real time and the propensity to engage with any given piece of content.
So how long have you been going?
We started the company in 2014 in London, and since that point we've expanded into the United States, South Africa, Singapore, and in Australia. And we're listing on this stock exchange in the next month.
And now to technology in the market. What does your solution provide and why is it in demand?
As more and more businesses go online, they're trying to figure out, how do I stop my scattergun approach of marketing? How do I better target and engage my customers with the right information, and knowing that the products or the content that I'm actually going to present to my customer is going to be relevant to that customer? This is where OpenDNA comes in. We understand the interest levels of every user. It's basically the psychographics, the understanding of the interest levels in a granular level of detail in real time, and understanding the propensity to engage for that customer.
So who are the potential users of your solution?
Potential users are anyone that actually pushes product or content to customers. In terms of industry segments, you're looking at publishing, entertainment, finance, insurance, e-commerce, that'll be able to utilize OpenDNA.
So what's the company's growth strategy going forward?
We're expanding sales pipelines in the United States and the Asia-Pacific market through strategic customer interactions, as well as signing up a lot of channel partners and resellers that actually integrate OpenDNA's technology into the systems that they build for their clients.
So what's your competitive advantage?
There are many companies that offer personalization or big data analytics. Where we're completely different is we don't look at aggregated data. We look at the data surrounding an individual. What is it that makes it interesting for that user? What is relevant for that user? We build the truly single customer view. That is our competitive advantage.
So where will the funds go and what's your priority for FY17?
The funds will be used to expand our business development operations in the United States, Singapore, and Australia, as well as into further development of our technology and allow for massive scale and growth.
And looking at financials, how do you generate revenue?
OpenDNA's business model is based, in terms of our pricing structure, is based on two components. There is the fixed component based on a monthly license fee on the number of users a company has. And the second component is a variable component based on the number of data connections had, or a percentage of the revenue that's generated. What it means is that we have a pricing structure that will be good for the smallest of companies to the largest of organizations.
And finally, Jay, what's your long-term ambition for the company?
My goal for OpenDNA is to spread OpenDNA technology into as many companies in as many industries as possible, allowing businesses to better target their customers, attract new customers, retain existing customers, to increase their revenue and reduce their costs. The more companies and more platforms that we power, the more powerful the tool OpenDNA becomes.
Jay Shah, thanks for the introduction and good luck with the IPO.
Thank you very much, Carol.